Hello friends, welcome to Bankers Platform. Today we have come with a new circular of RBI and this circular was published on 7th April 2021. So let's see friends this circular. So friends, this circular is related to priority sector lending. So RBI has increased the limit for bank lending against negotiable warehouse receipts and electronic negotiable warehouse receipt, that is called NWR and ENWRs. So friends, this is related to priority sector lending. As you know, the bank loan against pledge or hypothecation of agriculture produce, including warehouse receipts for a period not exceeding 12 months are eligible for classification under priority sector lending, subject to a limit up to 50 lakh per borrower. So friends, the limit for this against the hypothecation of agriculture produce, that is 50 lakh, and it should be of the period 12 months, and with a view to ensure greater flow of credit to the farmers against pledge or hypothecation of agriculture produce, and to encourage use of NWR oblique ENWR issued by regulated warehouses as a preferred instrument for availing such finance by the farmers. So it has been decided to enhance the priority sector lending limit for loan against NWRs and ENWRs from 50 lakh to 75 lakh per borrower. So 50 lakh to 75 lakh per borrower, the limit is enhanced. And the priority sector limit backed by the warehouse receipt other than NWR, ENWR will continue to be 50 lakh. So if the receipt is simple receipt, okay, that is the simple receipt, that warehouse receipt. So the limit will be 50 lakh only. But if you see this NWR, NWR and ENWR, for this case the limit is enhanced from 50 lakh to 75 lakh per borrower. So friends, this is related and it is very important for bank promotion exam. So here you can see the paragraph which is there in the priority sector lending master circular, that is 8.1, in that farm credit individual farmer. So in that this point will be changed. Okay, loan against this pledge or hypothecation of agriculture produce, including warehouse receipt for a period 12 month, subject to a limit up to 75 lakh against NWR and EWR. Okay, so this is the new guideline for priority sector lending advanced to farmer produce against the hypothecation of agriculture produce. So thank you friends. I hope so this will be helpful for you in your coming bank promotion exam and JIB exam also. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.